In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Colorize B&W effect in Capcut. This effect is perfect for bringing life back to black and white footage or adding a creative twist to your edits with natural-looking color. Start by opening Capcut. Whether you're on mobile or desktop, launch the app and give it a second to load your workspace. If you haven't updated in a while, make sure you're on a recent version so the effect is available and runs smoothly. Having a stable internet connection can also help with loading previews and assets inside the effects library. Now, add your video. Create a new project and import the clip you want to colorize. Drop it onto the timeline and check that it plays correctly. This effect works best on true black and white or grayscale footage, but it can also enhance desaturated videos. For a cleaner result, trim the clip down to just the portion you plan to use so Capcut only processes what you need. If you're mixing aspect ratios, confirm your canvas matches your final output to avoid unnecessary reframing later. Next, click Effects. On mobile, you'll see Effects in the bottom toolbar. On desktop, look for the Effects panel in the sidebar. You want video effects here, not text or body effects, since we're applying a visual layer over the clip. Give the library a moment to load thumbnails so you can preview how each effect looks. In the search field, type Colorize B&W. If it doesn't appear immediately, scroll through categories like AI or retro, and then use the search again to jump straight to it. When you see the Colorize B&W thumbnail, hover or tap to preview how it maps colors back onto grayscale footage. Look for natural skin tones and clean edges in the preview. Apply it to your clip. Select Colorize B&W and add it to the timeline. You'll see an effect layer appear above your video. If the effect layer is shorter than your clip, drag its ends so it spans the entire section you want colorized. Press play to preview and give Capcut a moment to render. Longer clips may take a bit. Depending on your version, you may see simple controls like intensity or saturation. Small adjustments usually look more realistic, especially on faces and skies. If you notice minor flicker on very fast motion, steadier shots generally produce the best results. Review your playback full screen. Make sure the effect starts and ends exactly where you want, and refine the duration if needed. And that's it. You opened Capcut, added your video, searched for Colorize B&W, and applied it for a quick, natural color transformation. Enjoy your edit.